The Way Huge Saucy Box Overdrive by Jeorge Tripps. This is another awesome and versatile overdrive by Way Huge that is an evolution in the family of overdrives that blends clean signals with an overdrive to maintain the natural sound that you have dialed in on your amp and your guitar. Basically like great mustard or great secret sauce, it's an accent to whatever's going on. It's very natural, it's very transparent. And we'll run through some of the sounds in a bit, but here are the controls. We have the volume, which is self-explanatory, all the way to the left. The pedal will not sound. And then we have about this much of extra oomph that you can pump into your amp. The tone control is a passive tone circuit. All the way to the right, it's doing nothing. And as you move it to the left, it's shaving off the highs that the pedal is producing. The drive knob is two pots that are handling two signals. A clean boost signal that is handled by a pair of discrete British-style op amps, moving into an FET circuit that's handling the drive. And it's specifically tailored so when it's all the way to the left, you're hearing the maximum amount of the clean boost, and it's blended with the FET overdrive. And as you turn the knob up, it is decreasing the clean boost and increasing the drive, the overdrive. And when it's all the way to the right, the clean boost has been disengaged all the way. So you have this range where you can decide how much of the clean boost that the pedal is producing is blended with your overdrive sound. And Jeorge has taken a lot of time researching and trying to make this foolproof so that at every setting you have a great tone. Today I'm playing through a VOS custom shop Gibson SG with stock humbuckers, and I'm running into a two-rock Max Schofield prototype that is essentially a beefed up super reverb with dual rectifier tubes, and the cab I'm using is a Mesa Boogie Recto 212 closed back with vintage 30 speakers. And later on, we'll switch to a Strat with single coils, and you can hear what that sounds like. So let's check out what this sounds like without the pedal engaged. I'm on my treble pickup, and here it is. A fairly clean tone. And here, all the knobs are at 12 o'clock as a good starting point. I'm going to take the drive knob and move it all the way to the left. You can hear the clean boost at its maximum. If you turn down your volume on your guitar, so moving up to about 9 o'clock. Very natural sounding. Move to the rhythm pickup on my SG. Turn the tone control up, which is allowing more highs to come through. It's very dynamic. Moving back to the noon position. Back to the treble pickup, and I'm going to roll the tone control down to about 3.5. I'm going to move the drive to about 3 o'clock, and this is now, again, simultaneously turning down the clean boost and turning up the drive. the drive all the way, boosting the output. Back to the rhythm pickup, and I'm going to turn the volume down. So to really hear what this is doing, here it is without the pedal on at all. Okay, we've got a Strat now, and we haven't changed anything with regard to the amplifier or the microphone placement. And now you can hear what this guitar will do through the box. And I'm starting in the same position of noon, 12 o'clock for volume, tone, and drive. And I'll give you a taste of what it sounds like without the Saucy Box engaged. That's my treble pickup. Here's my rhythm pickup. Saucy Box on. So I'll turn the tone knob down a bit, turn the volume up, turn the drive down. You can hear the clean boost inside the signal, giving it some body and articulation. Turn the tone knob back up, which again is returning the highs that the box is producing, since this is a passive roll-off of whatever highs the box is producing. So I'm returning highs here. Very natural sounding. Moving up to higher gain settings. I'm going to go to my treble pickup and roll off the tone knob. Rolling down my volume knob. Rolling up the volume. More. Back down. Saucy Box really responds well to your right hand picking attack. Soft. Aggressive. So you can see it's a very versatile box, and it really accentuates whatever you're doing and whatever tone that you have dialed up. So if you're the kind of player that prides himself on individuality and your own voice, and you want an overdrive to accentuate your own personality and identity, this is the one to get, the Saucy Box.